Hey friends, Min here from On a Stamp Page. First of all, I apologize for any sounds you hear in the background. My husband is watching The Mandalorian. So go ahead and comment below if your husband or if you are watching it as well. I've caught a couple episodes. It's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. But I wanted to do another haul video. This is almost everything that I got from my Close to My Heart party. I have one stamp set that's back ordered, and it's the most darling gnome stamp set. So when that gets here, I will definitely be showing you that. But I wanted to just share with you all of this stuff that I got, and then maybe make a super quick card with something from this plethora of items that I got. The first thing I wanted to show you was, look at this darling Christmas set. It's just this simple sentiment with the little leaves and stuff around it, but I absolutely love it. This is gonna make Christmas card creating super quick and easy this year, along with the kits that I showed you in my last video. And then I also got these darling little cork symbols. I love cork because I feel like it can work for any type of card making, but especially for like masculine cards. I don't know why it's so hard to find embellishments, but I feel like cork works really well. Then let's get into some of the other sets I got. I'm loving this fun set. This is called This Right Here, and it has all these different arrows and stuff on it, and I am super excited because I love adding little elements and stuff like this to my cards, to my planner, so that's what that's for. Then I got, oh my gosh, look at these cuties. This is called Little Buddies. I got it mainly because anytime I see a dog that looks similar to mine, I have to get it. But also there's a unicorn and a hedgehog and just an owl and like all of these, oh, and a penguin. So these super cute animals that I'm super excited to use, and this little raccoon or fox. I don't know which it is, but it's just so cute. And then I got this beautiful set called Tender Thoughts. And if you remember this set right here that I got last time, I feel like these two coordinate really well together. And I'm gonna be able to use these two together. So I'm really excited about that. So Tender Thoughts with the spruced up. Then I got this beautiful Thanks Ever So Much, because I feel like this will help me make super quick thank you cards. And then look at this darling koala set. I love puns. And this does come with the dies. So that's another reason why I needed it. Anytime I can get the stamp and die in one, you know I want that. And this one I'm so excited about. This is a Hostess set sprinkled with love. I think this is the set that I'm gonna actually want to play with right now. It is so cute, and I love this right here. Life is short, eat more donuts. Thanks a whole lot. Oh my gosh, you give me a dozen reasons to smile. You're the sweetest. I mean, this is just, come on, so cute. And then I got this gorgeous set that I'm excited to play with. I love the little splatters that I can use to, I could technically use those to color in a flower or just to add texture to a card. So this is gorgeous. This is called A Million Little Things. So it's got the daisies and the roses and this tulip, and then a couple of different sentiments, one about friendship. Love that. And then I got this fun sentiment set called Sentiments and Stitches. So it's got all the different sentiments and then different little stitches. And actually I might play with this one too, because this could make a super quick and darling one layer card. And then I got some card kits. I got two card kits. I got this Hawthorne card kit with this gorgeous set and dies, and it comes with twine and the cards and the envelopes, and of course the info on how to use it. And then it's got this beautiful leaf pattern, and on the back this gorgeous deep yellow with the diamonds, and then of course plain colored cardstock. I got this because it's almost autumn, and this comes with the die cuts too, you guys. The kit comes with the stamp set and the dies, and I love it. So we've got that one. And then last but not least, this gorgeous Summer Vibes kit, which I just absolutely love because I love puns. I love food cutie things. So it's got this gorgeous stamp set, the Summer Vibes stamp set with die cuts to die cut everything out. It comes with these acrylic hearts that I'm gonna see how I can dye, because I think that would be super fun. And then the papers in here, like, look at that fun summer pattern. And then I'm just gonna turn this all the way around so you can see this. I'm not sure how well you can see the whole thing, but it's like this ombre wave pattern. It's so gorgeous. So I am super excited about using that too. So, but right now, I think we're gonna play with this and make a quick 1-layer card. And so we're gonna use this card base from the card kit. And whenever I am working with a 1-layer card, I start by thinking about, okay, what's my color scheme gonna be? And one thing that I like to do is I like to play on a different variety of primary colors. So the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. But a play off of that might be pink, turquoise, and yellow. Or even pink, turquoise, and like orangish yellow, okay? So for this one, I'm gonna stamp my sentiment in black, I think. And then I'm gonna use some of these different stitches, and I'm gonna do a couple of different colors. So let me grab the colors I want, and I will be back in just a second. Okay, so I've chosen my colors. I'm gonna go with Sea Glass, Candy, and Banana. All of these are Color Box by Stephanie Bernard inks. And Licorice is the black I'm using. And the sentiment that I'm using says, just a little note to say, I think you're pretty amazing. So I'm gonna get that going. I'm gonna stamp it with my Licorice ink. And I think I'm gonna offset it a little bit over in this area. Okay, so I've got my sentiment stamped. It's a little bit off right there, but I'm okay with that because handmade cards, guys, they're not gonna be perfect all the time. And it's okay if they're not perfect. So I'm gonna go in here with a couple of these different stitchy type things. And I'm gonna start with a super long one. And I'm gonna just kind of stamp it right along underneath here. And I think I'm gonna do that in pink. And then I'm gonna do blue next, this Sea Glass. Last but not least is the Banana ink. And I think I'm gonna go for this one right here that's kind of scribbly so that it shows up a little bit better. And there I have my finished stamped card. Now, in order to jazz up 1-layer cards, something that I like to do, if you've watched me for long enough, is I like to round my corners down here. And then the other thing that you can do is you can add embellishments if you want to. Things that might lay flatter. So like I could go ahead and take some of these cork pieces that I got and lay those on there. I could also use, I have some other cork pieces from Close to My Heart that are these flowers. And I'm kind of liking the flowers with these leaves. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like if we add just a few little cork pieces. So I added my little cork pieces and my card is done and ready to go in the mail. I think this is super cute and I feel like there's something to be said for these simple 1-layer cards. They're honestly not as easy as they look because like I said, there's a little bit of a mess up right there, which I'm okay with. And I know some of my friends who are not going to be upset with that. But it does take a little bit of practice to do 1-layer cards because your original thought is going to be to cover more up. So practice your 1-layer cards because like I said, this will mail perfectly and go to someone who needs their day brightened just a little bit. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to take a peek at my haul and to watch me make this 1-layer card. I've had so much fun with you today and I will be back again soon with more creations. So until then, please subscribe if you like this, ring the bell so you don't miss anything else. And until next time, hugs and happy stamping, friends. Bye.